Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in Queen Heights, Discovery Bay, St. Anne, is this stunning property that offers a one-of-a-kind opportunity to own a slice of paradise. Situated on an expansive 5.13-acre lot, this breathtaking estate boasts panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea that are truly amazing. This house features 4 generously sized bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 that are ensuite. This property is perfect for a large family or those who enjoy hosting guests. The office space, with an adjacent bathroom, provides a private sanctuary for work or study, ensuring productivity and convenience. With 2 very large water catchment tanks, you can rest assured that you will have plenty of water to meet your needs, while the farmhouse with chicken coop offers ample space to raise your own fresh produce and livestock. Additionally, the property is conveniently located just 5 minutes away from the coast, allowing easy access to sun, sand, and the sea. Recreation is also close at hand, with a variety of activities available nearby. Don't miss your chance to own this home today. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $389,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.